Okay, so first of all, let's see our read request. So it's located in the API sections in the user section, and it is named as show all. Now, when we send a GET request to show all, it returns all the users which are currently present in our database. Uh, as we can see, we have two users present currently on our database. So it returns all those users. Now let's try creating a user. Since email is our primary key, and we can see that we already have uh, and we can see that we already have user2 at the rate test.com present in our database. Now let's try to create user2 once again, and it should probably give us an error that user already exists. So now we need to change this to user3, and let's see if it works. We can see that user is successfully created. Now let's try deleting this user. So first of all, let's try deleting a user which does not exist. Like we do not have user 4. So let's try deleting it. So it says that we have not found any user with this username. So now let's try deleting it, deleting a user which we already have. For example, user 3. Before that, let's see if user 3 has been added in our list or not. So we can see that user 3 has been added in our list. Now let's try deleting it. So if you send a delete request, we can see that this has user 3 has successfully been deleted. Let's see if it has really been deleted or not. We can see that he is not found in our get request, read request. So that means he has been deleted. Now let's try updating a user. So we know that first of all, let's try updating a user which does not exist. So we can see that user not found. It checks that if a user exists or not, and if it exists, then we try to delete it. Now let's try deleting user 2. Uh, Previously his name was Albert Einstein. Now let's try doing it student 1 alone, and we'll change his profession to student Y, and we need to enter the password which was previously set to user 2. This was done in order to prevent anyone else from changing his details. So first let's try entering a wrong password. So it says that password does not match because the correct password is QWERTY with capital Q. Now let's try updating user 2. This says that user updated successfully, and we can see that he has been updated. See here, first name has changed to alone 1, and last name is student 1, and last name has changed to alone. So we can see that he has been updated.